Hey, if you want to upload an Instagram story from your PC or laptop, so here's the complete guide to do it. So first from your PC, you have to open up your Instagram. So you will notice there's no story upload option visible here. So now to enable it, you have to click on any blank space on the page and right click on your mouse. And now from this pop-up menu, you have to scroll and select Inspect. And here you will see a new panel open on the right side of your screen. Don't worry, just look for this icon called Toggle Device Toolbar and click on it. Now at first, nothing will change. So you just have to refresh the page from here, and after reloading, you should see a plus icon at the top of your Instagram. And once it appears, just click on the plus icon, then choose Story. And now select the photo you want to upload from your PC, and after selecting the photo, just click Add to your story. You may notice it doesn't immediately show that the story is uploaded, so don't worry. Wait about 10 to 30 seconds, then refresh the page. Now you will see your profile picture with a story ring and click on it, and you will see that your story has been uploaded successfully. You can also double check by visiting your profile, checking from another account, or viewing it on your phone. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.